Why February is so important? Is this because we get full salary working only for 28 days? Or because of 14th February, the Valentine's Day? No, the gardening answer is it is important because spring just starts setting in during mid-February. It's the time for season change and the plants that went to dormancy during winter, they start to wake up. This time frame may vary from place to place, but for most part of the northern Indian subcontinent, it is mid-February. During this time, we need to do few very important gardening activities for our perennial plants. Perennial plants like hibiscus, bougainvillea, curry leaves. I have divided all these activities in 3 broad categories.
The first category is cutting pruning.
During spring, the plants will wake up from its dormancy and will start to shoot out new leaves and branches. This is the time when we should trim and prune our plants so that it don't become lanky, rather it become bushier and get filled with lots of new branches and leaves. I pruned my bougainvillea, bay leaf, curry leaves and trimmed coleus and main plants. Second category of activities will be about nourishing your plants.
That is fertilizing.
This is the period of growth. So your plants need lots of energy to grow new leaves and branches. So you need to feed them well. For the plants that are not root bound, for them you can just add the fertilizer or you can do top dressing. Top dressing means you take out the upper layer of the soil, 2-3 inches of it, take out the soil, add fertilizer and then you again refill the pot with that good soil. For root bound plants, it's the best period for repotting them because they will be able to grow new roots now and they will get nourishment from the new fresh soil. I repotted my adenium plant that was long pending and also repotted one of my bougainvilleas. Now the third category of activities is about propagation.
That is to grow new plants.
The branches that you have pruned off can be utilized as cuttings to grow new plants. This is a good season for propagating plants from cuttings. Another good season to grow plants from cutting is monsoon. I propagated my coleus and sweet potato vines. Let me show you the process how I propagated my coleus and sweet potato vines.
To propagate plants with soft stem like coleus and sweet potato vines, take 3-4 inches of branch cut and then discard the lower leaves, keeping only top 2-3 leaves, and then put it in loose soil. In place of soil, you may also take coco peat or sand. This is also the right time to start seeds for summer vegetables and flowers.
In organic gardening, as we don't want to depend on harmful chemicals, we need to take maximum advantage of the seasons and we should take help of nature and natural elements.
So do the right activity in the right time and get maximum benefit from the nature. Hope this video was helpful to you. See you next week with another video. Till then, bye bye. And if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to Plantify.